Hey guys, what is up? It's Dusty here, and welcome back to another crypto video. Today, we're doing a general crypto overview, so we're not specifically talking about one coin, but about the whole crypto market. We're talking about all the daily news, all the most important stuff you need to know from the crypto space, starting out with Coinbase for today. Now, Coinbase just enabled 3 times margin, but conditions apply for individual traders. So Coinbase Pro customers in 23 US states can now access up to 3 times leverage. To be qualified for the margin trading, while institutional customers need to be based in one of the 23 states, have a Coinbase Pro account, enough collateral assets, and activity measured by balances and trades. On their tweet, it read, "Starting today, Coinbase Pro customers in 23 US states can access up to 3 times leverage on USD quoted books. Trading crypto on margin can amplify the impact of your trades by allowing you to borrow additional funds." So that's pretty cool from Coinbase. This will allow a lot more money to be made and also a lot more money to be lost. But I definitely think that because of the BitMEX big scandal in XRP right now, where the price dumped to about 14-15 cents, even though the normal price is about 33 or so, that a lot of people are gonna want to switch over eventually. So I think it was a pretty good thing that they're starting to look at some more and bigger possibilities. FC Barcelona soccer club to join Socios.com's blockchain platform. Now, I've already read it before, just briefly, that FC Barcelona and Chili's are working together for some crypto-related project, or at least for a stablecoin slash coin slash fan coin, fan token, whatever you have heard, maybe type of project. It says right here, Spanish professional club Barcelona FC inked a new global partnership deal with the blockchain platform Socios.com to be the official fan token partner of the club. As part of the deal, Socios will launch the official Barca fan token, $bar, for the club to increase engagement between the club and its over 300 million user global fan base or people fan base. So yeah, that's pretty nice to see, pretty amazing. Pretty good, pretty big. Don't know what the effect is going to be. Don't exactly know how successful, but it's cool that these more mainstream things with a lot of non-crypto fans are getting into it. The agreement is part of Barca's new digital and commercial strategy, which will allow supporters to take part in polls and surveys about Barca's everyday activities and earn unique prizes related to the club on Chile's fan voting and rewards mobile app Socios.com. Again, pretty cool that they're doing this. I'm pretty pleased and I'm pretty happy. Wells Fargo invests $5 million in startup connecting crypto exchanges and banks. If you read it like this, it sounds a little bit like XRP or like Ripple, but they're investing in a $5 million they invested $5 million in a new startup, so we're going to check it out for a little second. Banking giant Wells Fargo is backing blockchain forensics firm Elliptic. Announced on Thursday, the fresh $5 million from Wells Fargo Strategic Capital brings Elliptic Series B up to a total of $28 million. The investment is partly geared towards a recently launched product that helps crypto exchanges win banking relationships, Elliptic said. The product, Elliptic Discovery, provides a bill of health for over 200 crypto exchanges worldwide, covering everything from how they conduct know your customer checks to whether they're regulated in the first place. So even though at first it sounded a little bit like what Ripple is doing, in reality it's not really anything alike. Previously, a bank just didn't know much about the exchange that was wanting to open an account with them, Elliptic co-founder Tom Robinson told CoinDesk. This will give them insights into how risky or otherwise a given crypto exchange is. Almost all banks have avoided it, but I think this is a very good step again to naturalizing or just making everything simple in this space, making sure that every exchange has access to a lot of banks and stuff. Pretty amazing, pretty cool. It's legitimizing this space once more. Police hunt Bitcoin extortionist after another letter bomb explodes in Amsterdam. 2 bombs yesterday, another 2 today. So if you watched the news yesterday, I don't know where you guys are from, but I watched the news for a little bit, and I saw that on the Wilhelminakade in Rotterdam, it says here, and another place, I guess, in Amsterdam, frick if I know, maybe the Kerkstraat, I don't remember exactly what place it was. A bomb got exploded, so to speak, out of a letter. It's a little bit strange to explain this in English, but yeah. So I also saw that in another news report, they said the morning, right, that this happened, they were already, and for the last couple of weeks, possibly, I don't even really know, they were already opening a lot of letters because they were expecting this and they already intercepted quite a lot of them. But I guess one still made it through, and in one of the places, right, the girl, or at least a girl that worked in the post office or whatever, she opened the letter, heard a hissing sound, and then threw it away, after which the letter exploded, which was definitely quite interesting. But the Dutch police are responding to a spate of letter bombs sent to offices across the country as part of a Bitcoin extortion plot. So it's actually a little bit bigger than we probably would have expected, and this Bitcoin extortion plot actually dates back to a couple of months ago. But I don't know if everything is connected, as in the videos, they keep on saying that they don't know exactly what it is all about. And now this article, which was posted today, says they do know what it's all about. I don't know. I don't know if these guys just wanted a story so they made one that fits, or if they really know the facts right there. I don't really know exactly what's the truth. On Thursday, a letter bomb caused a small explosion at the ING Bank office in Amsterdam. Reuters reports just hours earlier, authorities disarmed one delivered to an office of U.S. tech firm Unisys, located near Utrecht. The incidents follow the explosion of two letter bombs on Wednesday, one at the ABN AMRO Bank mail sorting office, and another one in Kerkrade mailroom of Japanese electronics from Rico, close to Germany border. Luckily, no one was harmed, but still pretty damn crazy, pretty damn strange that you can just wake up one day, open your mail, and get a freaking bomb in there, right? This world sometimes is really, really crazy if you think about it like that. Ethereum blows past resistance as it eyes $300. So yes, Ethereum has done really, really well the last couple of days, but today, a little bit of that steam was taken off, as right now XRP is plus 9% or so, acting like a freaking skyrocket, and Ethereum is just a little bit more laid back today with just some minor 1.5% gains, showing me, that really the big demand today is for XRP. The leading altcoin is now up more than 80% in the past month, and definitely, we can say that Ethereum has had a very good move. Lucky that we bought some Ethereum just now, guys. Lucky we did. I told you guys on the channel like a month ago or so that it was buying a little bit of Ethereum. Think about like maybe $1,000, maybe $1,500 worth, and it did very well in the last month, I should say. So that's pretty fortunate. Fed Reserve Chairman confesses the power BTC has on the US dollar. This is an article which, to me, is a little bit scary to cover, because it hits so close to home. Even though I don't use dollars on a daily basis, this goes for euro, this goes for any currency really. It's just the power that Bitcoin will have on those currencies in the end. And to me, it's a little bit scary to fully enlighten yourself with all of this information. Jerome Powell, the chairman of the Federal Reserve, recently spoke on the leading of cryptocurrency. After the Congressman Bill Foster raised his worries in keeping up with the digital currency dreams of China, the cryptocurrency markets took a surge skywards. Now, they're talking a little bit about this, keeping up with the digital currency dreams of China, because China posted a lot of open letters, or a lot of openness about that they want to get involved with crypto. And I think the last couple of weeks, or maybe we should already say months, they've really been moving a little bit faster with this. And Foster's concerns are in the regards to Beijing's plan to center on the risks posed by the United States dollar's status as a global reserve currency. Well, kind of like, all right, if China is going to open up this cryptocurrency and wants to have everything kind of capped over there, this could pose as a little bit of a threat to our whole economy, right? That's at least something that I think is quite easy to spot on. But investors in Bitcoin may not see the negative in this though, and are actually seeing this as a good thing. This is because the BTC US dollar took off following the acknowledgement that this was the case. And what's kind of going on is that if there's fear of anything between the US and China, right, Bitcoin prices go up. The idea of having a ledger where you record everyone's payments isn't particularly attractive in the US. It's not a problem in China. I don't exactly know how that works. I guess it has a lot to do with privacy. I personally think, it's not any worse or any better than the way we have it right now if you just post it like that. But this is really the main thing. China has been well open about its ambitions to design its own central state bank-backed crypto, which it intends to launch in the not so distant future, and that's where the concerns are all for. Bitcoin really has a little bit more of an influence than you might really see superficially right here, just because they play such a big role in the whole economy. And yeah, there's just a lot that can happen if what they want follows through. Ripple see, or at least what they are doing right now, follows through, and there's no big regulations for it. I think there's going to be coming, but for right now, the pace is looking at, China is moving ridiculously quickly, and the US is kind of lacking in this. So the question here is, what is exactly going to be happening with the whole economy? What's going to be happening as US US dollar as a global Federal Reserve currency? What's going on with all of that? We don't know yet. It's a little bit of a question, but Bitcoin prices and whole crypto prices react well to that type of FUD and uncertainty in general. Now, Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse has recorded an interview with the CNN. In the community, the XP community, we all knew this already, right? We all knew this was going to happen, but it was really amazing. And I have not seen the whole report yet, but they, or at least Julia here, asked, I believe, what she should be asking Brad Garlinghouse. And I'm seeing so much positive feedback of everybody being happy that this thing went live, that I think this whole interview is actually going to be really quite amazing. Also, Ripple getting on the CNN is another really, really positive thing. They probably got on there before, but I don't know if they ever had such a in-depth interview yet. Can't really tell that one for sure, but I think this is yet again another very, very good move at getting all of these crypto projects into mainstream news. Now, last but not least, by Jeffy Kahn. Is this the most brutal Bitcoin bull trap ever? Very good question right there, my boy. So, if you guys have not been up to date, Bitcoin went up for a very, very good while here to, I guess, like $10,000 and something. Then it retraced a little bit below 10,000 to maybe 9,800 or so, 9,800. And then it just shot up once freaking more, just giving people a lot more money. And then the question comes, Bitcoin is down, Ethereum is down, but Ripple is up, which is why we want to talk about XPUSD first, blah, 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 blah. And I guess this already does not file so well anymore, does not work so well, because Bitcoin is not really, really down. I guess it's down 1.5% on the day, but it's up on the hourly, and it's still very far above $10,000. So, it's down, but really not much. And Ethereum was down about an hour ago, but right now it's also back up again. So the whole article here should be taken with a little grain of salt, as it's kind of predicting something that has yet to happen. These coins are not really too far down. While BTC USD remains sideways, most altcoins have been making moves on their own, and that is exactly what the big players in this market want. They want everyone to believe that we are not just going to have a rally before halving, but we are going to have an altcoin rally. That's what a lot of people want. That's what a lot of people want to believe. Personally, I don't know exactly what's going to be happening. There's a lot of different opportunities, but today I want to keep it kind of factional or objective, I should say, where I just give you guys the real stuff, the real news, which I know is a fact, and not just this speculational pieces on price, just because I want to try that today. By the way, this mouse is still stuck here. I think the only way to get rid of it is just by resetting my computer. I don't even know if you guys can see the mouse, but I definitely can, and it's annoying the crap out of me. But thank you guys all for watching. Hopefully you did enjoy. If you learned something new, make sure you press the like button on this video, and make sure you subscribe for more daily crypto news. I'll see you guys again in another crypto video. Take care, and also make me know in the comment section down below if you would like it for me to make this a daily thing. Should I do daily crypto updates with general crypto? Yes or no? And I'll see you guys again in another crypto video. Take care, everybody, and have a very nice day.